Your mother probably told you not to put anything with germs in your mouth. Well, it turns out she was wrong. Yogurt is one of the healthiest foods you can eat, yet it's chock full of germs, bacteria to be precise. Bacteria that are actually good for your digestive system. The first step in making fruit-flavored yogurt is to play with the fruit. Workers make sure to swirl, scoop, and fondle the fruit to aerate it as much as possible. The most popular fruit flavors are strawberry, raspberry, and basilberry. Three different types of sugars are combined with stabilizers and artificial flavorings. This blend is then mixed with water. For most fruits, artificial coloring is also added to make them more appetizing. Then comes two more kinds of sugars, sucrose and dextrose. You can remember these ingredients by remembering they rhyme with gross. The machine then adds spoiled milk to the batch. Its natural curdled consistency will help with the yogurt's texture and bacteria culture. More coloring is added, alongside fruit concentrate. This concentrate is usually made from the fruit imported to the factory, usually. To prepare the yogurt, they mix powdered whole milk and cream with water. For low-fat and fat-free yogurts, they simply remove the milk and double the amount of cream. The milk mixture is heated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit to pasteurize it and to create milk foam. This milk foam will be shipped out to coffee shops across the country. While it's now bacteria-free, there's a new problem. The company's pipe organ is now full of milk and cream, and is unable to be played when the factory workers gather for church service. This machine, called a homogenizer, solves the problem. The homogenizer's crushing pistons use a hypnotic rhythm to convert every factory worker to atheism. If the homogenizer ever stops pumping, the next crusade will begin. The yogurt mixture then goes into fermentation tanks. Workers pour in a container of those little white balls you find on your ceiling, finally giving them a purpose by helping the yogurt ferment. Fermentation can take 6 to 20 hours depending on how much attention the factory workers are paying. The factory manufactures the yogurt labels and containers in the same factory. If you think this machine looks complicated, don't worry, you're just stupid. Plastic is molded by this machine into the containers for the yogurt, while the underside applies the labels. The yogurt is then dumped in the containers. The red dot on the yogurt is from a nearby army sniper, ready to take out any yogurt that evolves during production to have thoughts of political assassination. This yogurt may or may not be expired depending on when you watch this video. And finally, as the packing machine properly labels and portions out the yogurt, did anyone else get kind of excited seeing a brand they finally recognize? They're making Dannon yogurt here. Dannon! I mean, I've had Dannon before, tons of people have. It's a big brand. Normally they get the most obscure unknown brand for this shit, like Klapsky's Yogurt or Within the Family Dairy Farms. Oh wait, no, what? Okay, hang on. Upon reviewing the footage, it seems that this is Dannon yogurt, not Dannon. You can go back to the beginning of the video and confirm that that's true. This is Dannon, not Dannon. Sorry for the false alarm, guys, I'm sorry.